I ask of them to do. Just guys just want to really win. Guys don't want that same feeling they had before. So guys are just more dialed in, doing all the little things right on and off the field. This is something that we really want to do no matter what. If you signed up for this program, you came here to change the culture around. If you didn't, I don't know why would you come, but you know, that's just a task at hand for everyone. So everybody want to accomplish the same goals. So we're gonna do everything in our power, every little thing that asks us to do, just so we can get our team over that hump.
When you think about the facilities that you came to when you got here, and then what you get to walk through now as a senior, how does it compare? How different?
Really different. You know, now we got new facilities, you know, new lockers, you know, new logos, new uniforms. You can just tell, you know, the culture and, you know, guys, people that support Kentucky football still believes in us. Now it's our turn to give back. It's our turn to, you know, put the wins on the board and just do everything in our power just so we can get our team over the hump.
Been hearing a lot about Mark's speech last night.
Huh?
I've been hearing a lot about Mark's speech last night. Mark Stoops' speech
I don't know what he said
last night. How it sounds like he was pretty fired up and got you guys fired up.
Oh yeah. He's just ready to go. He's done talking about it. He's just ready to go, man. And we all are. It's time to, you know, just put everything to the side, dial in, tunnel vision, do all the little things on and off the field, just so we can put our team in a position to win.
CJ said that, you know, it's hard to pinpoint it, but he felt like he could hear something different in Mark's voice, that he knows that this is you guys' time.
He probably talking about the passion. It's getting real, you know, walking in the new facility, seeing, you know, the new uniform, seeing the new logos, seeing where Kentucky used to be and where it's on the urge of going, and seeing where we at right now is just unbelievable. You know, first coming here is way different versus right now. You know, guys are a lot more mature. We got a lot more leaders, and just guys are just more dialed in. We really want to work hard just so we can put our team in a position to win.
Why is Drew the guy to lead this team? What makes him the guy?
He's a great kid. You know, all our quarterbacks are great kids, and it honestly didn't matter who was a starter, but you know, because guys are just ready to win. Guys just want to win. We're gonna play hard regardless. But yeah, Drew's a great kid, great leader, and you know, I'm proud of him.
Awesome.